Yo, what is up? I'm in the Seattle Public Schools Central Kitchen, and this is a brand new kitchen, right?
Yes.
Yes, she's straight to the point. Yes. So I'm actually hanging out with Teresa. So Teresa, what do you do for Seattle Public Schools?
I'm the senior admin for Culinary Services.
Okay, and why am I here? Why are me and Jamie here right now?
Oh, you guys came to help us with media training so we can learn how to create and edit our own content to share what we do over here.
So if that's the case, why am I holding the camera? You should hold the camera.
Okay.
So now you can walk and talk.
Okay.
All right, cool. So make sure you're both in the shot. Oh, see, he has short arms though. All right, there we go. All right, so how's the training going so far?
Really good. It is a lot of information in 2 days, but I think we're getting it.
What is one thing that you've learned so far? I'm going to help her.
What is one thing that I've learned so far? Well, we learned about lighting and how to use that to manipulate the environment to show what we want to show and kind of show how we want the videos to feel.
Set the mood, set the vibe.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
So it's all about the mood and the vibe. So talk to me about a cool school. You guys use cool school points, right?
Yes, we do.
Do you guys like cool schools?
Mm-hmm.
I think they're pretty cool.
It's super helpful. I made some cool lanyards with our 206 Culinary Services logo on it for our kitchen managers for School Lunch Hero Day.
All right, what else do you use your points for?
Well, I was able to use it to go to the NxtGen Masterclass this
Wait,
year.
the NxtGen what?
The NxtGen
NxtGen
Masterclass.
That's awesome. Yeah, so you can use points for the NxtGen Masterclass. You can use cool school points to get to immersion in January, happening this year in Tampa. All sorts of different things, all sorts of swag, and Cool Schools hooks it up. And I believe you get points. Actually, I don't believe, I know. I know you get points for purchasing from manufacturers that are part of the Cool School program, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. And shout out to Red Gold, one of my favorite Cool School partners. They have amazing tomato-based products.
Yeah, we actually tried a really good plant-based bolognese from them at the NxtGen Masterclass. And like, you couldn't even really tell it was plant-based. I think they called it high protein, and so,
yeah. They actually did. Man, you got a great memory. Great memory, spot on. Yeah, but so Cool School, we love you guys. Cool School Prime, that's also an amazing program. You get more points if you guys sign up with Prime. You also get a free copy of NxtGen AI to use, which is an AI made specifically for school nutrition. But we are here in Seattle. It is beautiful out here. We had amazing Thai food, but forget about that. What are you guys making today? This video is gonna go way longer than it was meant to go, but what are we making today that we are filming?
We are making a crab egg drop soup right now in the central kitchen.
A crab egg drop soup in the central kitchen. It looks delicious. I haven't tried it yet. They're actually still filming it right now. It looks amazing. And we got a glimpse of their summer meal menu, which looks awesome. Absolutely amazing. It looks like something I would order off of like DoorDash.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm excited to see how those videos turn out and to share them with the community and the families.
And you guys will get to see too. So once again, Seattle Public Schools, we're out here doing media training with them, food photography and videography. It's almost like a little mini version of our masterclass because it is so important for us to empower people like Teresa and her colleagues to help change the perception of school meals, because we know what they are doing out there is absolutely amazing, and the world needs to respect the name of people in school nutrition because the food is delicious and nutritious.